Hey everybody, welcome to my video where I tell you how I make a consistent flow of income online, and you can achieve this with zero startup money. Now, the system that I use is called Online Profit for Dummies. Some of the things you get when you sign up and join are free video trainings and step-by-step marketing tutorials. Free coaching, which includes weekly live webinars where you can talk and ask questions to the top marketers for Online Profit for Dummies. A free automated sales funnel, which includes capture pages, and this is all automated. They give you the resources to make money in your sleep. Also includes a free autoresponder, which, if you were to purchase this outside this system, it could cost you anywhere between $10 to $20 a month, and you get this free. It's also absolutely free to get started. There's no admin fees, no website fees, no hidden fees, no nothing. That's a little bit about what you get when you join. Now, why Online Profit for Dummies? First off, there's no selling or shipping any product. It's extremely simple to use. There's no internet marketing experience needed. I started being a complete newbie, and this is fantastic for newbies with all the free training videos and step-by-step tutorials. Again, no capital needed, and this is a fairly new system, which means all of the training videos, tutorial videos, and your personal back page are continually and constantly being updated with new material and resources. Also, since this is a new system, it's a great time to join. Which brings me to, again, it's free to get started, which means you have nothing to lose, and you can get paid daily. So if you ever thought about breaking through and starting your own business online, this is it, you guys. So just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, peace.